Are you looking for a way to automatically sync new and updated rows from Google Sheets to Trello? With zzBots, you can now install this from our plugin store. This plugin contains one bot. This bot will monitor for new and updated rows in Google Sheets and then automatically sync them over to Trello as new or updated cards. If you are watching this video from YouTube or social media, start by clicking the link in the description. In zzBots, click the install button. If you don't already have an account, you will need to set up a free account before finishing the install. Then click Next. First, set up the connection with your Google Sheets account. Next, set up the connection with your Trello account. After your account is connected, select the board and the list that you want to sync with. Then click Next, Install Now, and Done. You will be redirected to the bots page, where you can manage your bot, as well as configure your bot settings. Select the spreadsheet and the worksheet that you want to sync from. In the ID columns field, specify the column letter or letters that will act as the row ID. In Google Sheets, the following example worksheet has fields for the row ID, title, description, due date, and card ID in columns A through E. Each row in the row ID column must have a unique value in order to sync updates to the corresponding Trello card. In zzBots, in the columns to watch for changes field, enter the letter or letters of one or more columns that you want your bot to monitor for changes. Next, expand the if condition step. In the first field of the if condition step, insert the value of the column in Google Sheets that is acting as the card ID. Next, expand the new card step. In each relevant field of this step, insert the values of the corresponding columns from Google Sheets. In this example, we will insert the values of columns B, C, and D into the name, description, and due date fields. Next, expand the update row and spreadsheet step. Select the same spreadsheet and worksheet as you did in the first step of your bot. In the field of the column that is acting as the card ID, insert the value of the ID from Trello. Next, expand the update card step. First, click on the arrow to the top right of the card field. Select Switch to Text Mode. Insert the value of the column that corresponds with the card ID. In each relevant field of this step, insert the values of the same corresponding columns from Google Sheets as you did in the new card step. In this example, we will insert the values of columns B, C, and D from Google Sheets into the same corresponding Trello fields. To finish setting up your bot, scroll up and click Save. After you save your bot, enable it by clicking here. You can test this sync by adding or updating different rows in Google Sheets. In zzBots, your bots will automatically check for changes to sync over every 10 minutes or faster, depending on your billing plan. You can manually check by hitting Check Now. Below the bot steps for each bot, you will see the bot history. The bot power used each time that your bot is triggered will be shown here. Bot power will not be used when your bot is checking for new data. Bot power will only be used when your bot successfully syncs new or updated rows from Google Sheets to Trello. As you can see here, all of the added and updated rows successfully synced over to Trello as new and updated cards. If you are looking for more ways to integrate your different apps together or automate your business, then be sure to hit that subscribe button and check out our other videos. If you have any questions, just chat with us on our website at zzbots.com or join our community at zzbots.com/community.